guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm going to be creating a Thanksgiving sign, and it is a very budget friendly sign considering I paid $1.25 for the picture frame. I've had the punch. This was $1.50 and I'll probably use about half of it, and then I'm using a stencil and some white acrylic paint, and then I just took a piece of rope and separated it, that jute rope. You can kind of separate them and get little thin ropes, and I will also be using a hot glue. This video is also part of a challenge, Chic for Cheap, hosted by Christy from Christy Creates and Wendy from White Sparrow Living. If you are not familiar with these channels, make sure you head on over to my description box. Their links to their channels will be right there, as well as the link to the playlist for everybody participating. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hole punch. I want to spell out give thanks. So I'm going to hole punch enough for that. This might be a little bit harder to do because this is a fabric rather than actual paper. It's called cork fabric sheet. To move this so I can use the table to press it. I'm thinking that now I pressed it, I'm just gonna fold it and cut it out. It might be a lot easier that way. So I think I have enough. And now I'm going to sponge on some of this acrylic paint. And I'm just using a makeup sponge. And the stencil had come from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so that's done. I really like the way they came out. Now I'm gonna open my picture frame. And I'm just going to wedge in the glass. Don't want anything at the back, and I'm going to add some rope with some hot glue, but I think first I'm going to add the letters to the rope. I'm going to do the other rope. just trying to space it out. Okay, and then that's gonna go in here. Okay, I'm gonna just trim off the excess rope. Okay, so let's flip it over. I think that do you see what I've done? So give, and then I went backwards, so let's fix that up. Okay, I'm going to add the rope on first, just to make it a little bit easier for me. So I'm going to start with things on this side. I think that looks really good, and I'll show you what it looks like up against not such patterned backdrop. So here it is. I think it looks really good. You can also put a background of your choice if you want. Looks okay against the white. I will have it against the gray most likely, so I'm sure that will look fine as well. So I'd like to thank all the hostesses, both hostesses, for hosting this channel. Make sure you check out the playlist as well as their channel, which will be linked down below. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.